Hi everybody, today's subject is Diesel Ted, villain of Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This is the original design of his wooden railway model, first released in 2000 alongside the movie. Like every Thomas and the Magic Railroad character, he has always had his name on the underside. Now, he's a pretty cool model, and he was a pretty cool villain, very menacing. And because his claw meant he could potentially rip the engines to bits. Now, his wooden railway model does have some flaws. Both the original design and the 2013 design, he's too short here. The central part doesn't come out far enough. It does on the 2011 version, and that was oddly regressed. Weird. Also, originally he was given an inaccurate 3 windows. Now, the prototype portrayed this as all wood, not this plastic, and this was mounted on a screw so it would be able to swivel as well as slide back and forth. Why they did this, I don't know, and I really wish they hadn't, but still, it's alright. And he's got his face. Now that is an antagonist's face. You know, a villain's face. And that's what he is. If you can get him, get him. Although for preference I'd slap this face on the 2011's body. But still, not too bad. Ah, Pinchy hit him in the face again.